Folks, are you stuck making 10-second clips and then spending days stitching everything together? Imagine creating cinematic AI videos with professional transitions, voiceover, and fully animated characters all in one platform. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into Atlabs, an AI movie maker that creates up to 10-minute videos from one prompt with full frame-by-frame editing control. Guys, we'll go step by step, generating a script from a simple idea and selecting characters. Then we'll edit each scene and export the final video. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just curious about AI clips, this tutorial is just for you. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Guys, Atlabs is a tool that positions itself as the fastest AI video maker out there. Its key feature is end-to-end video creation. That means no third-party software is needed. Generation, editing, and voiceover all happen in one place. We'll go through the entire process. I'll show you how to go from an initial idea to a finished film and save hours of work. Friends, we are inside the platform. This is the main Atlabs dashboard. As you see, there are no confusing menus. The developers clearly focused on simplicity. At the top, there's a quick create bar where you can type in your idea, choose a style, and hit generate video. This works well for short tests, but we're aiming a bit higher here, a full-length clip. So we scroll a bit lower. Here you'll find the main modes: script, audio to video, and avatar. You can also access Reframe and Nano Banana Pro. We're going to use script to video, which turns your text into a complete story made up of multiple scenes. Folks, don't miss the AI apps and workflow section. Here you can create images, modify footage, control motion, and add captions. These tools help polish the full movie we'll generate with script to video. In the text field, you can paste a script or just start with an idea. Atlabs quickly turns it into a complete clip. The process has 3 steps: script, set style, and finalize cast. Mates, I begin with a simple prompt for a cinematic trailer about a space explorer discovering an ancient city on Mars. That's just the idea, so we click AI script writer and describe what we want to see in the video. Here we choose the storytelling genre. It fits our theme best and gives us a clear narrative structure, just like a real film. Now comes the duration. Atlabs lets you generate videos up to 10 minutes long in a single run, so you can actually produce a full short film in one go. Friends, for this tutorial, I'm creating a 2-minute video to keep things simple. Next, we hit generate and wait for the script. Here it is, a complete screenplay based on our idea. From here, we click next to move to set style. Guys, first up is aspect ratio. Atlabs offers vertical formats for TikTok or Reels, but we'll stick with 16:9, perfect for YouTube. The video style is set to AI, creating fully original moving scenes from scratch. Finally, there's visual style, with options from 3D cartoons to anime. We'll choose cinematic for a realistic space and ancient city look. Everything's ready, so now we move to the last step: finalize cast. Folks, this is where we approve the characters. Our main hero is Juno Hart. The AI read through the script, came up with a name, and generated the character's look automatically. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! We can click edit to see a full profile for Juno Hart, and you can change absolutely everything, starting with the name. What's more, we can adjust age, gender, ethnicity, and describe the visual appearance in detail. So if you want a red spacesuit instead of a white one, you just change that setting and you're done. Mates, you can also choose the character's voice and accent. For a female character, the system selects Allison by default, but you can easily switch to any other voice. You can also choose characters from the library or upload your own image and make yourself the hero of the movie. I click save and the avatar is generated. And here she is, our Juno Hart. Next, we hit generate video and the process kicks off. It honestly feels like going through a real casting and production workflow. Guys, welcome to the editor. This is the result of our work. What you're seeing is the storyboard, every scene of the film laid out in front of us. In this case, we have 32 scenes. Now, the AI does most of the heavy lifting. but it's not perfect. Some shots might look off or not match your vision. With most tools, you'd have to regenerate the entire video, but Atlabs lets you fix individual scenes. Real frame-by-frame control. You can pick a scene and rebuild it completely. Change the voiceover, switch the character, or adjust motion. You can also split scenes, add B-roll, trim as well as reverse or tweak playback speed. Alright friends, check out the result.
What secrets does the Red Planet hold? Meet Captain Juno Hart, our fearless space explorer. She's not just seeking survival, she's unlocking mysteries of an ancient alien city on Mars. For years, Mars seemed barren, lifeless. But Juno's discovery changes everything. Imagine an entire city buried beneath the red dust, its secrets untouched for millennia. It holds keys to unimaginable technologies. Why care, you ask? This discovery could advance Earth's technology a century forward.
Honestly, it already feels fully cinematic, with smooth transitions and subtitles. And if something's off, you can easily redo any scene in the AI editor. Even though we made this in landscape, you can instantly switch to portrait or square. From there, edit scene by scene, or export the finished film straight to YouTube. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Atlabs is the simplest all-in-one AI movie maker, letting you create long-form studio-quality videos in minutes. From a simple idea to a polished clip, you can generate scripts, create characters, animate motion, and edit scenes in one platform. Plus, it adapts to any project style. From cinematic storytelling to tutorials or social media clips, the platform makes it effortless. It saves hours of work while giving you full creative control, whether you're making a short film or any other project. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.